Hi, my name is JJ Asgar, and I'm a developer advocate for IBM Cloud. Recently, you might have heard about Heroku changing their policy on the free tier. This is causing a challenge for a lot of developers out there, so I want to take a handful of moments here to show you how you can migrate from Heroku to Code Engine from IBM Cloud in just a handful of steps. So let's go ahead and start playing around with it and see how quickly you can actually make your system work. So first thing first, if you haven't seen it, this is the actual line inside the official blog from Heroku. Starting on November 28th, 2022, we plan to stop offering the free product plans and plan on shutting down the free dynos and data services. We'll be sending out a series of email communications to affected users. This is challenging for a lot of beginner web applications. I know for a fact, personally, I used Heroku when I first started back in the day. So this is a pretty large hit for a lot of people. And I want to show you how easy it is to convert from Heroku to Code Engine. So first thing first, let's actually see a nice little application I've created. If I go ahead and bring up my application here, we have a nice little Flask app. If you don't know what Python is or Flask is, it's a format for Python to be able to run an application on a standard port. So let's say we have this application. It says hello world. I've already deployed it, and we can check out right here. We have our amazing production app at .heroku.com. It says hello world, and we wanted to go ahead and change it. We wanted to update it. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly update it to hello, moving from Heroku to Code Engine. Okay, oops. Go ahead and come out of it. Git add period, git commit, updated hello line. And then I'm going to go ahead and push. And just like you would normally do to pushing code to Heroku, I want to show you that this is the exact same process on side of Code Engine. What we'll do is we'll create a new, we'll log into IBM Cloud first, and then from there we'll create a new project, and then we'll go ahead and deploy it to see that it works. So there we go. We've gone ahead and deployed it to Heroku first, just to make sure that we all have our working code. And I go ahead and reload this, and there we go. We're moving from Heroku to Code Engine. So we know our code works. This is great. So now actually let's get Code Engine as part of this. So first thing first, we need an IBM Cloud login. So I'm going to go ahead and log into IBM Cloud. If you haven't set up IBM Cloud Video, or if you haven't set up your IBM Cloud account, if you look above me, you should see a link to it, which I will put into the video. I'll go ahead and copy my name here, and then I'll take my password. Log in just fine, which is great to see. Perfect. And now what I'll do is IBM Cloud CE project create name amazing production app. So this creates our nice little, need a target first, target my default resource group, and then I'll go ahead and create the project. There we go. Should only take a moment. Perfect. Now you can change your name to whatever you like. This is just a catch-all for your project, which is useful. Then I will take the next command, which is IBM Cloud CE app create name of Python backend, because this is a Python backend, of course. Build source period strategy build packs. Now, because I already have a requirements.txt, this application is smart enough to figure out, hey, it's a Python application, so let's go ahead and build it, which is nice. So as you can see, it's taking step 1 here. It's running the build, which is good. It creates a nice private image for us too, which is useful. It takes a couple moments. There we go. And now we see that if we wanted to do this with no wait, which is the N-W, we can actually put this into the background and wait for it to come up, and then we can check it via this build, run, get the actual name. Being that we're going to be looking at this live, we'll go ahead and do this here. There we go. Perfect. So now I'll go ahead and open up this URL here. And it came over here. And as you can see, hello, moving from Heroku to CodeEngine. And that's it. I took the exact same code I did from Heroku. I created a new project, and then I created an application, and I just pushed it. And it just worked. So imagine what you can do with that for yourself. This shows the power that is CodeEngine, and on a free tier, it is truly free, just like Heroku was or will be, or won't be in the future. CodeEngine is free forever, which is great, and hopefully it'll make your life a little easier. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, my Twitter handle is @JJAsgar, or you're more than welcome to email me at awesome@ibm.com. My job is to be a personable nerd, so never hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much. Bye, y'all.